Hi, this is James Clements from Project Plan Online. This is the first in a series of quick Project Management 101 videos. In the first 3 videos I'm going to run through the typical project management lifecycle, then explain how this relates to the project management phases, and then what this means in the context of both the typical project and program management framework. And as an overall definition, the project management lifecycle is the typical, and you need to use that term very loosely, steps that a project will go through. Let's look at each of these in turn. Firstly, we have the initiating step. This is where you put together a business case, define the stakeholder value for undertaking the project, detail the benefits the project will bring to the organisation. If you're in a competitive bidding situation, you would make a bid/no-bid decision on whether you want to chase the opportunity, and this is where you would put together a preliminary scoping document. The second step is the planning. This would be your bid or your proposal stage. You would define the requirements of the project. You would outline what your budget is, what the schedule is, how you're going to undertake procurement, what the project team would look like, and what the risks are to achieving the project objectives you would define in this stage as well. In the next step, executing, you would execute the project against the project management plan that you defined in the planning stage. This would include achieving the quality objectives and the key performance indicators defined in the planning stage. Another step in the project management lifecycle is the controlling step, where you would measure actual achievement versus planned. You would make adjustments where these deviated. You would deal with scope changes, new risks and risks that had passed. Finally, you have the closing stage. This is where you would test the product, seek acceptance and hand over with the client. You would document the outcomes of the project, close all the business accounts, learn lessons and disperse your project management team back to where they came from. So there you have it, quite simply, the project management lifecycle. For more information, go to www.projectplanonline.com.